What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, as you can see behind me, I do have my cameraman's truck. We're going to be working on it and we're going to show you a mod that you can do to make your truck look a little bit different. It's super simple. It's actually really affordable. So if at the end of the video you guys do want to go ahead and purchase this, make sure to check out the description box below. Let's go ahead and now get into it and show you guys. All right, you guys, so of course we are working on my cameraman's truck, and as you guys do know, if you guys do follow me on Instagram or on his Instagram, you guys do know he does actually use his truck off-road. He abuses it, so it's all scratched up, and of course it is a black truck, so you can see everything. So what we're going to be switching out today, it's going to be an easy mod, but it's going to make the truck look a lot better. So you're going to notice right here his mirror cover and his turn signal, they're already all beat up just from hitting those bushes, from hitting walls and stuff like that. So we're going to be taking this off, we're going to be replacing it, and we're also going to be changing out the turn signal here. Cool thing about the brand new turn signal we're going to be installing, it's from yotaverse, and it's going to match his rear taillights that he also got from them. So if at the end of the video you guys do want to purchase the products, we'll link in the description box below. I also want to let you guys know I do have full how to install videos on the mirror cover, and I do have full how to install video on the turn signal. So if you guys want to watch those in-depth how to install videos, check them out. They'll be in the description box below. Let's go ahead and now dive right into it and do it really quick. All right, you guys, so of course right now we're going to go ahead and remove the mirror cover and the turn signal. If you guys also got the turn signal, it's going to come with a set of tools that you're going to need to remove this. So now if you guys just got the mirror cover, you're not going to need to remove what we're going to remove right now. Keep that in mind, because that mirror cover just goes right over. What you would do is basically clean off the surface and slide it right over. It sticks on with double-sided sticky tape. But if you guys are also doing the turn signal, you're going to need to remove this. So cool thing about the turn signal is it is going to come with the tools provided to do the install. For example, it's going to come with the panel removal tool, and it's also going to come with a little wrench to remove the actual light. So let's go ahead and just dive right into it. As far as the panel removal tool, you're going to notice right here where I have it, there's a little slot where you insert, and you're just going to have to work the mirror on out. And you just want to work your way around it. Just be gentle. You don't want to break it, but you do want to do it hard enough. And it's going to feel really, really hard, but just keep pulling back on it, and it should release just like that. Once again, if you're just installing the mirror cover, you don't need to remove it. Just go ahead and put it right over after cleaning the surface. For us, since we're also going to be installing the sequential turn signal here to go ahead and match the tail lights, we need to remove. Now that we have this open up just like that, you want to go ahead and get yourself a Phillips head. If you guys don't know what a Phillips head is, it's the one with the plus. If you guys don't know that, don't be working on your truck. So you're going to see there's a screw here, and there's also a screw there. Go ahead and remove those. And I can't wait for you guys to see the finished product. I know I've done it on my truck already, but just in case you guys missed that video, you guys will be able to see it on his truck. And once again, his truck is black, so it's going to look a lot nicer on his than it does on mine, because it's going to give it that nice blacked out effect. All right, so now that we have those screws off, back here there's going to be two little tabs. You get your fingers. Once again, watch the other video if you want the in-depth. It should just pop right out. After that, mirror should slide right out. Just be careful and unplug. And now this is trash. You can keep it if you want, but it's trash now because we're going to be installing the nice one. So of course, before we actually put the overlay on, we're going to go ahead and clean off the surface. It is going to be held in, of course, with this clip, but there is double-sided sticky tape. So super simple. Just clean it off. Get a rag. Doesn't matter if you scratch it. At least we don't care. If you want to care, that's on you. And then right here, you want to make sure, of course, to grab the correct side. They are site specific, so keep that in mind. So now that we removed the old one, we're gonna go ahead and now install the brand new sequential one. Keep in mind, this one is also blacked out, so it's gonna look super clean once it's installed. Super easy. Let's just go ahead and repeat the process exactly the way we took it off. All right, so as you guys can see, let alone just installing this turn signal, it looks super clean, but we're gonna add that final touch by installing the overlay over here. All right, you guys, so as you can see, we've now reinstalled the mirror cover. We reinstalled, of course, the turn signal. It looks super clean, so if you're just doing that, that's all you really need. But for us, we wanted to add that final touch, which is gonna be this bad boy here. So now that we've cleaned off the surface, we know it's super, super nice and clean. We're gonna go ahead and put this on. So we'll start off from the top and then we'll bring it in. You wanna make sure to get the correct side because they are side specific. What's your first impressions on this thing?
Look pretty fresh.
Hell yeah.
Good.
Way better. Look at that. Sick. All right, you guys, we just turned on the turn signal. We're going to show you guys right now. But before that, I also wanted to let you guys know the 2 parts that we installed today, that's also a good gift to get for maybe your husband, your wife, your girlfriend, boyfriend, doesn't matter what it is, maybe your partner, doesn't matter. But it's a good gift. It's super affordable, easy to install. Anybody can really do it. And once again, we do have full how to install videos on each of these items. Check them out, description box below. But if you want to purchase these today, they're also going to be in the description box below. Let's go ahead and now come right over here and show you guys these brand new sequential turn signals and how this bad boy looks.
JesseRizo is here for you. It's here for you now.
All right, you guys, so of course, we just showed you guys how it looks. I wanted to tell you guys, these are the ones that we were talking about earlier that he had just previously installed. We also have a video on these bad boys. I'll also make sure to link them in the description box below in case you're curious about them. Once again, this is my cameraman's truck, and we're hooking it up just to kind of, you know, get with the times. No, I'm just kidding. I also wanted to show you guys kind of like a side-by-side comparison. On my left side right here is going to be the brand new one that we just installed with the mirror cover. And then on this right side is going to be the old ones with the old turn signal and the factory cover. All right, you guys, so if you guys did enjoy today's quick little video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
JesseRizo is here for you. It's here for you now. Like I said, it's super simple. Please feel free to subscribe.